Hello, we're going to talk about instructional technology and its effects on teaching and learning in the 21st century. We're going to discuss 4 types of instructional technology today, and the first being blogging and comment threads, which can be in the form of either a self-published blog, Twitter, which so many of our students are already familiar with, either a class-based Instagram, or even Schoology. Blogs encourage students to keep an open mind when they're talking with each other. They have to cooperate with each other, even if they don't agree with the people that they're blogging with. They have to keep the communication flow respectful, yet learn to articulate their own point. And those 21st century communication and collaboration skills are all things that students need to be successful in the 21st century. Second piece of instructional technology I want to talk about is polling, which can be done by clickers, plickers, or even Google Forms. Polling allows for instant data for the teacher, which is really helpful. It helps teachers make decisions based on understanding of their students. They can ask themselves, do they know enough that I can push their knowledge and enrich their learning experience, or do I need to go back and do I need to reteach based on the poll? Digital quizzing is also incredibly valuable, and there's so many ways that you can incorporate digital quizzing in the classroom that helps not only the teacher but also the learner. Quizzes, Kahoot, and then assessments that are embedded in other pieces of software like Nearpod are really engaging for students and really helpful for teachers. It also provides instant feedback, similar to polling, but it allows teachers to adjust their pacing in the middle of class after a digital quiz and address any misconceptions that they can see in the data. And if you display the data for the students to see, it's even more helpful because students can see trends in their peers' thinking. So if they get a question wrong, but a lot of other students are also getting it wrong, then it's going to make them feel a little bit better and prompt them to want to figure out what it is that they're doing incorrectly. And finally, I want to discuss flipped classrooms. Flipped classrooms can be done using YouTube, or posting videos in Schoology, or even posting videos to your own class blog. For teachers, it allows you to plan and condense a topic, really get you to convey the main points of your lesson, and it promotes good lesson planning. For example, teachers are required to anticipate questions and mistakes that the students might have and address them within that short video. The learning environment for students is a lot more stress-free. There's a lot more anxiety. They can rewind and pause and go back without people looking at them, staring at them, trying to figure out if they have the right answer or not. It also frees up class time to have meaningful and informed discussions after students have already watched a video at home. So these are 4 pieces of instructional technology that I feel like really promote teaching and learning in the 21st century.